Welcome to our countdown of the most jaw-dropping facts about the Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of dinosaurs. Its very name, Tyrannosaurus rex, meaning Tyrant Lizard King, evokes a sense of power and awe. From its bone-crushing bite to its surprisingly keen senses, prepare to be amazed by the incredible adaptations that made T-Rex one of the most formidable predators to ever walk the earth. Imagine a creature so massive, so powerful, that its very footsteps sent tremors through the ground. The Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex, was one of the largest land predators ever to walk the earth. This colossal carnivore roamed North America during the late Cretaceous period, around 68 to 66 million years ago. Fossil evidence tells us that T-Rex could grow up to 40 feet long. That's longer than a school bus. Standing 12 feet tall at the hips, it towered over its prey. Despite its massive bulk, this predator was capable of impressive bursts of speed, reaching up to 12 to 15 miles per hour. T-Rex possessed the strongest bite force of any known land animal, capable of crushing bone with a force of 12,800 pounds. Its jaws were lined with around 60 serrated teeth, some over 12 inches long, perfectly designed for tearing through flesh and bone. The T-Rex is instantly recognizable for its massive head and jaws, but there's another feature that often draws attention: its arms. Measuring just 3 feet long, about the size of a human's, they seem disproportionately small compared to its colossal body. But don't be fooled by their size. These arms were surprisingly strong and far from useless. Each arm ended in 2 sharp claws, which could still inflict damage and were likely used to grasp and hold on to struggling prey. The arm bones show large areas where muscles were attached, indicating surprising strength. In fact, each arm could lift over 400 pounds. That's heavier than 2 adult humans. The true purpose of T-Rex's tiny arms remains a mystery, but one thing's for sure: they were far stronger than they looked, and likely played an important role in the life of this incredible predator. To survive and thrive as an apex predator, T-Rex needed more than just brute strength and size. It needed keen senses. Imagine looking through the eyes of a T-Rex. Unlike many other dinosaurs, its eyes faced forward, providing binocular vision, much like ours. This means it could see in 3 dimensions, giving it an advantage when judging distances and tracking prey. Scientists estimate that T-Rex's eyesight was several times more acute than a modern-day eagle's, allowing it to spot prey from miles away. It possessed a highly developed sense of smell, thanks to its large olfactory bulbs. This allowed it to detect the scent of prey or even a rotting carcass from a great distance. T-Rex's ear structure suggests it was particularly attuned to low-frequency sounds, which can travel long distances. This means it could likely detect the movements of large animals even from miles away. Some paleontologists believe that T-Rex communicated using deep, rumbling sounds, similar to those made by modern-day alligators and some bird species. These incredible senses, sharp vision, a powerful sense of smell, and acute hearing, gave T-Rex a distinct advantage in the prehistoric world. We often picture T-Rex as a scaly, reptilian giant. But what if I told you that our understanding of this iconic predator's appearance might be due for a makeover? While fossilized skin impressions confirm the presence of scales on parts of T-Rex's body, there's growing evidence to suggest that feathers may have also been part of its repertoire, at least during certain stages of its life. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs closely related to T-Rex, such as Utyrannus, has fueled this intriguing possibility. It's thought that young T-Rexes, more vulnerable to cold temperatures, may have sported a downy coat of feathers for insulation. As they grew larger and their massive size helped them retain body heat, they likely shed most of their feathers. Unlike their avian descendants, T-Rex's feathers wouldn't have been used for flight. Instead, they may have served other purposes such as camouflage, display, or even helping to attract mates. But whether covered in feathers or scales, one thing's for certain: T-Rex remains one of the most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever walked the earth. For millions of years, T-Rex reigned supreme, its dominance unchallenged. But even the mightiest of creatures are not invincible. Around 66 million years ago, a cataclysmic event brought the reign of the dinosaurs to a dramatic end. The culprit? An immense asteroid, estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth near what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to more than 1 billion atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate aftermath was catastrophic. Wildfires raged across continents, triggered by the intense heat of the impact. Tsunamis taller than skyscrapers surged across oceans, engulfing entire coastlines. The impact ejected billions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, shrouding the planet in a thick veil of darkness. Sunlight was blocked, causing temperatures to plummet and plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of global cooling known as an impact winter. With the collapse of ecosystems and the disappearance of their prey, these apex predators eventually succumbed to starvation. The extinction of T-Rex, along with roughly 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth, marked the end of the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of the T-Rex. While the reign of the dinosaurs may be long over, the T-Rex continues to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the incredible diversity and power of life that once thrived on our planet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing facts about the prehistoric world.